Today we're going to talk about how to maintain your sauna. With very minimal maintenance, you can keep your sauna room looking great. The following is only a general guide. Step 1. Do not paint, varnish, or stain the interior portions of your sauna. The wood needs to breathe, absorb and slowly release the heat and humidity. Artificial finishes make the wood surface much hotter, creating the possibility of fumes from the wood treatment, and take away some of the softness of the heat and steam penetrating the wood. Step 2. Door handles and floorboards are an exception to number 1. These 2 points of the sauna can get dirty easily. To make cleaning easier, you can treat the handles and floorboards with a good wood sealant or polyurethane finish. Step 3. After sauna care. The simplest method of sauna maintenance is to keep a hand brush in the sauna. If the last person out dips the brush in the water bucket and does a quick scrubbing of the benches, walls, backrests, etc., this 30 to 60 second ritual will keep your sauna looking great for years. Step 4. After you've finished using the sauna and your cleaning process is complete, prop the ductboards off the floor and leave the sauna door open to air it out completely. The heat remaining in the rocks and in the wood should dry the sauna completely and even can help dry down the shower area if it's adjacent to the sauna room. Step 5. If you get some dirt or sweat stains developing, if you've missed step 3 a few times, you can use a hand brush, but with some warm water and a mild detergent in it. To get the benches looking like new, you can lightly sand your benches about once per year. It will lighten them more to their original condition. If you should happen to have mold develop anywhere, on the ductboards for example, you can clean it with warm water and bleach such as Clorox. Depending on how often you use your sauna, occasionally wet mopping the floor with a liquid deodorizer cleaner such as Lysol or Pine Sol will help as well. With these simple maintenance tips, your sauna will stay inviting, fresh smelling, and enjoyable to be in.